A very good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 3, Raju's Hero, page number 33. So let's start this chapter. I will explain this chapter to you all and we'll try to complete the exercise as well today. So this chapter, name of this chapter is Raju's Hero. Who is your favorite sports person? Speak about him or her. I hope that everybody has a favorite sports person. So you can speak about him or her in class is written. But we are not in our regular class, but we'll someday try to explain, try to speak about everybody's favorite sports person. Understand? Today let's start and try to understand this chapter. So this chapter is all about how would you feel if you are denied something you really want or wanted to. Here is a story of a child who cannot go to see a cricket match because of, well, you will see in this chapter that what happened in this story. You certainly will enjoy reading what happened in the end. You can see here a boy in a chair. Raju was sitting in an armchair. You can see he's Raju. Feeling really upset. He was really upset. Why he was upset? One of his leg was in plaster and it was on a stool in front of him. वो stool में बैठा हुआ था. His one leg was in plaster. You can see there. Falling off his bicycle and breaking his leg was not something he was proud of. He was not feeling so good. उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि वो bicycle से गिर गया था and he just broke his leg. You can see. The worst part was that this happened just when his father and elder brother Rajan and he had planned to go and watch the test match. His brother and his elder brother Rajan, his father and Raju, they all planned to go to watch a match, test match. And this happened. His leg was in plaster. So this happened. Because of this, he was very upset. He was sad. His first live cricket match in the stadium with Sachin Tendulkar playing for India. He was so excited to see Sachin Tendulkar playing for India in a stadium. This was his first live cricket match. मतलब वो पहली बार देखने वाला था लाइव, अपनी आंखों से देखने वाला था स्टेडियम में बैठ के सचिन तेंदुलकर को खेलते हुए फॉर इंडिया. It was a dream come true. ये एक सपने जैसा था राजू के लिए. The sports page is in one of the national paper called him Cricket Wizard. Cricket Wizard. Wizard means जादूगर. Means cricket का जादूगर. किसी एक स्पोर्ट्स पेज ने, जब न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसमें एक स्पोर्ट्स का कॉलम भी रहता है न्यूज़पेपर में, तो किसी एक न्यूज़पेपर के स्पोर्ट्स पेज में लिखा हुआ था कि सचिन तेंदुलकर इज अ क्रिकेट विजार्ड. क्रिकेट का जादूगर है सचिन तेंदुलकर. Another paper called him genius. किसी और पेपर ने उसको जीनियस कहा था. This was the last day of the match and he was going to miss it. ये लास्ट डे था मैच का और वो उसको बहुत मिस होगा, बहुत मिस करेगा वो, because of his broken leg. अपने उसका पैर ब्रोक हो गया था. That's why he just missed the match and that's why he is very sad, very upset. Raju was saying that I hate this, said Raju again. Raju ने कहा I hate this. It's all right, said his father. उसके father ने कहा it's okay, जाने दो, हो गया, it's all right. They'll be showing the match on TV. जो लोग मैच स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं, मैच दिखा रहे हैं, तो लोग टीवी में भी मैच दिखाएंगे. डोंट वरी, इट विल बी अ डायरेक्ट टेलीकास्ट. वो एक डायरेक्ट टेलीकास्ट होगा घर के लिए. इनफैक्ट सिटिंग एट होम, घर में बैठे बैठे तुम देख सकते हो. यू विल बी एबल टू वॉच द मैच बेटर देन वॉचिंग इट इन एन ओवरक्राउडेड स्टेडियम. ओवरक्राउडेड मींस भीड़, बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ से, बहुत ज्यादा लोगों से भरे हुए स्टेडियम से देखने से अच्छा है कि तुम घर में आराम से बैठ के उस मैच का डायरेक्ट लाइव टेलीकास्ट देख सकते हो. But I still hate to be like this, said Raju. Raju ने कहा लेकिन मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है कि मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ हूँ. Rajan came in with some popcorn and chocolate cake. Rajan जो उसका भाई था, he came in, वो अंदर आया with some popcorns and the chocolate cake लेकर. Here, have these, he said. उसने कहा ये लो, ये रहे तुम्हारे chocolate cake and popcorns. I bought them just for you. ये मैं तुम्हारे लिए खरीद के लाया. You can eat while watching TV. तुम इसको खाते रहना जब तुम टीवी देखना था. It will be cheer you up. इनको खाने से तुमको खुशी मिलेगी और cheer up. You will be cheer up. I tell you that. I'll tell you what, added Rajan, looking at his younger brother. I'll try to get Sachin's autograph for you. His very own name written on his very own handwriting. Rajan ने कहा कि मैं कोशिश करूंगा. I will try to get Sachin's autograph. मैं सचिन का autograph लाने की कोशिश करूंगा. What is autograph? Autograph means signature of some celebrities, you can say, है ना, जो जाने माने लोग होते हैं उनके signatures या फिर उनकी handwriting में कुछ लिखा रहता है, that is autograph, their autograph. So Raju was very happy. He waved goodbye to them and let his mother switch on the TV for him while he enjoyed the chocolate cake and popcorn. So Raju was now happy. उसको पता चला कि उसके लिए autograph आने वाला, then he was happy. He waved goodbye. He said goodbye to his brother and his father. And इसने mother को कहा कि mother please on the television on करने के लिए. And while he enjoyed the popcorn and chocolate cake, India won the match. When his dad and Rajan returned, they both looked very pleased. जब राजन और उसके फादर वापस आए तो वो बहुत खुश थे क्योंकि इंडिया मैच जीत चुकी थी. डैड वाज स्माइलिंग एंड राजन वाज सिंगिंग. डैड स्माइल कर रहे थे और उसके भाई राजन था वो गाने गा रहे थे. वो इतने खुश था कि वो सिंगिंग कर रहा था. Indians are the best. Indians are the best. He was saying. Hey Raju, I bought a hat for you at the stadium. उसने कहा कि राजू देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए हैट लेकर आया हूँ स्टेडियम से. फादर ने कहा You know, we won by 100 runs against Australians. उनके फादर ने कहा तुमको पता है कि हम 100 रन से जीत गए जो मैच ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट था, ऑस्ट्रेलियंस के अगेंस्ट. Did you see Sachin? asked Raju. राजू ने कहा क्या तुमने सचिन को देखा? क्या आपने सचिन को देखा? राजू ने कहा of course, हाँ बिल्कुल देखा. He made 200 runs and took 2 important wickets. राजा ने कहा उन्होंने सचिन ने 200 रन्स बनाए और उन्होंने 2 important wickets लिए. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell while trying to catch a ball. बॉल कैच कर रहे थे लेकिन वो मैच खत्म ही होने वाला था और वो कैच लेते लेते अचानक से गिर गए. I hope he is not badly hurt. I hope कि वो ज्यादा बुरा उनको चोट नहीं लगा होगा. So you did not get his autograph. तो फिर आपको उनका ऑटोग्राफ नहीं मिला. राजू ने कहा नो सॉरी आई विल ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम. सेड राजन. राजन ने कहा कि अब मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करूंगा. आई एम सॉरी मैं इस बार तो ऑटोग्राफ नहीं ला पाया. The next day it was front page news that Sachin had injured his arm. Next day न्यूज़पेपर में आया था फ्रंट पेज में that Sachin ने अपना आर्म इंजर्ड कर लिया. मतलब उनके आर्म में चोट लगी. दिस इज आर्म ना. He just injured his arm while taking catch. He was to be out of the game for the next 2 weeks. अब next 2 weeks तक उनको गेम्स में नहीं जा सकते सचिन because उन्होंने इंजर्ड कर लिया है अपना. 2 weeks later, Raju had to go to the hospital for checkup. 2 हफ्ते के बाद राजू को भी चेकअप के लिए हॉस्पिटल जाना था. The doctor wanted to see his leg and put a new plaster on it. डॉक्टर उनका लेग राजू का लेग देखना चाहते थे, उसमें नया प्लास्टर लगाना चाहते थे, पुराना प्लास्टर निकाल. Raju sat with his mother in the waiting room. राजू वेटिंग रूम में बैठ गया हॉस्पिटल में, डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पे और हॉस्पिटल पे wherever. And for his turn, he was waiting with his mother. Raju, your turn, please, said nurse. Nurse ने कहा राजू तुम्हारी टर्न है, go. Raju went into a little room. राजू गया little room में, एक छोटे से रूम पे. Doctor examined his leg. डॉक्टर ने उनका लेग देखा. Said it was healing beautifully. Healing means ठीक होना. So उसका जो लेग था राजू का वो धीरे धीरे ठीक हो रहा है, डॉक्टर ने कहा. Then the nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. Then nurse ने एक fresh plaster, एक new plaster उसके लेग में लगा दिया. His mother took him back to the waiting room and sat with him, waiting for the bill. अब मदर राजू के साथ वेटिंग रूम में फिर बैठ गए बिल का वेट करने के लिए, क्योंकि डॉक्टर की जो फीस है उसका वेट करने के लिए कितनी फीस है वो पे करना है. 2 more weeks, Raju, then you will be playing cricket, said nurse. Nurse ने कहा 2 more weeks और 2 हफ्ते रुक जाओ फिर तुम क्रिकेट खेल सकते हो. नर्स ने कहा so you like cricket, said a man who was sitting behind him. एक आदमी था वो पीछे बैठा हुआ था राजू के, और उन्होंने कहा तो फिर तुम्हें क्रिकेट अच्छा लगता है. ओके, Raju had not noticed him. Raju ने उनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया. As Raju's leg was placed on the stool in front of him. राजू के सामने एक स्टूल रखा था, उसमें राजू का लेग रखा हुआ था. इसलिए राजू ने उनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया कि कौन है, कौन पूछ रहे हैं. He was not able to turn. वो पीछे मुड़ के भी नहीं देख पा रहा था. And talk directly with that man. He turned a little and said, थोड़ा सा राजू turn हुआ and he said, I love cricket. It is my life. One day I want to be a great cricketer like Sachin. राजू ने कहा, बिना ज्यादा मुड़े नहीं, इस तरह से टर्न नहीं हुआ राजू, और थोड़ा सा ही टर्न होकर उसने कहा उस मैन से दैट मुझे क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है. आई लव क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट मेरी लाइफ है. एक दिन में एक क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता हूँ सचिन की तरह, बहुत बड़ा क्रिकेटर, ग्रेट क्रिकेटर सचिन की तरह बनना चाहता हूँ. The man behind him laughed and said, "You admire Sachin, do you?" तो उस मैन ने फिर से कहा हंसते हुए, अच्छा तो तुमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एडमायर मीन्स अच्छा लगना, पसंद करना. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे सचिन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो राजू ने कहा, ओह यस, ही इज माय हीरो. राजू सेड प्राउडली. राजू ने बहुत प्राउड से कहा दैट यस एग्जैक्टली, ऑफ कोर्स ही इज माय हीरो. नेक्स्ट प्लीज सेड द नर्स. नर्स ने कहा नेक्स्ट प्लीज, मींस जिसकी टर्न थी नेक्स्ट टर्न, उन्होंने कहा यस.
Okay, ma'am.
So admire means पसंद करना. Okay. So he liked Sachin. Do you like Sachin? Do you admire Sachin? तुमको सचिन बहुत पसंद है क्या? राजू ने कहा of course, yes, I like him. He's my hero. वो मेरा हीरो है. The nurse ने कहा next please. Next please means next जिस patient की turn है उसको nurse ने बुलाया. The man behind him got up and came in front of Raju. जो मैन राजू के पीछे बैठा था वो खड़े होकर राजू के सामने आके खड़े हो गए. Now Raju was not able to see his face. राजू तो उनको फेस ही नहीं देख पा रहा था, वो इतना ज्यादा गैस हो गया था. गैस मींस घबरा जाना, लाइक सांसें, oh my god, ये कौन आ गया मेरे सामने, like this. So he was like saying that Sachin. He just said Sachin and his face was, he was just gasped, means कि कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं suddenly, हम इतने ज्यादा nervous हो जाते हैं. That is called gasp. So his mother and the nurse were tongue tied and did not know what to say. Tongue tied means एकदम उनका टंग टाइट हो गया था, टाइट हो गया था, मींस बोल ही नहीं पा रहे थे क्या बोलना चाहिए, क्योंकि सचिन सामने खड़ा था. Of course, then Sachin had came to hospital to get his injured arm checked. Sachin hospital आया था अपने आर्म को चेक करवाने के लिए. राजू turned to Sachin. राजू ने सचिन की तरफ देखा. Will you give me your autograph? राजू ने कहा सचिन से, क्या आप मुझे अपना ऑटोग्राफ देंगे? Otherwise, my friends at the school will not believe me what I tell them. I met you. Otherwise means या फिर you can say. तो राजू ने कहा क्या मुझे ऑटोग्राफ देंगे? नहीं तो या फिर आपके या फिर नहीं तो मेरे दोस्त जो हैं मुझे कहेंगे, मेरा बिलीव नहीं करेंगे. दे डोंट बिलीव मी, मेरा विश्वास नहीं करेंगे कि मैं आपसे मिला था, तो प्लीज मुझे अपना ऑटोग्राफ दे दीजिए. Then of course I will, said Sachin. Sachin ने कहा बिल्कुल मैं दूंगा ना, देता हूँ मैं. He wrote on Raju's plaster. उन्होंने राजू के प्लास्टर पे ही ऑटोग्राफ दे दिया. To Raju from his hero. उन्होंने क्या लिखा? To Raju from his hero. All the best, Sachin Tendulkar. ऐसा लिख दिया उन्होंने, सचिन तेंदुलकर ने राजू के प्लास्टर पर. Then he chatted with Raju and his mother for a while before leaving them to see the doctor. डॉक्टर से मिलने से जाने से पहले थोड़ी देर उन्होंने राजू से और उनकी मदर से बात की. When the plaster was removed from his leg, Raju hanged it up in his room. जब प्लास्टर निकल गया राजू का, तो राजू ने उसको हैंग कर दिया था अपने रूम पे, उसने हंग कर दिया था, टांग दिया था. Every morning he looks at Sachin's autograph on the plaster and only then goes to school. जब भी वो स्कूल जाता था, स्कूल जाने से पहले वो एक बार जरूर उस प्लास्टर को देखता था. So this is the end of the story, students. This message you can see here is dream on, dreams come true. Means हमें सपने देखने चाहिए, सपने जरूर पूरे होते हैं. Understand? And the story, the writer of this story is Savitri Pandian. You can see. Okay. So this is the exercise, multiple choice questions which you all have to do by yourself on your notebook. Understand? And the words which you can see here written in bold. In any chapter, in each and every chapter, the words which are written in bold here, you all have to learn the spelling of these words. They are important. Understand? And you have to understand that what is the pronunciation of this word. Overcrowded, wizard, genius, telecast. These words can come in dictation. Understand? So please take
Yes, ma'am.
this. So students, here you can see the word meanings of this chapter 3, Raju's Hero. I hope you all can see on your screen over here. The first word is overcrowded. The first word is overcrowded. That means with too many people. With too many people. Next word is telecast. I hope you all can see the screen. Write it down fast. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. The first word is overcrowded, which means with too many people. Next word is telecast, which means broadcast on television. Third word is pleased. That means grateful. Means thankful. Number 4 is certainly. That means surely. Of course. Number 5 is examine. That means check. Number 6 word is gasp. That means a quick deep breath. This is called quick deep breath. Number 7 is autograph. That means signature of a famous person.
My work is completed, ma'am.
Very good. So students, let's start completing question and answers of this chapter. As I told you that multiple choice question, page number 36 is for the assignment. You all have to take the correct answers by yourself on your book. Understand? So let's complete question and answers of this chapter. The first question is, read and answer. First question is, how did Rajan console Raju? And the answer is given here. Rajan brought popcorns and chocolate cake for Raju. He also promised him that he would try to get Sachin's autograph for him. Full stop. Thus, Rajan consoled Raju. This is the answer of first question. Question number 2 is, why could Rajan not get Sachin's autograph? An answer is here. Rajan could not get Sachin's autograph because he fell while trying to catch a ball and injured himself. This is answer number 2. Now move to answer number 3. Question number 3 is, who was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital? Who was the man standing behind Raju in the hospitals? So here you can see answer is written. Answer number 3 is, Sachin was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital. Move to the think and answer. First question is, what was worse for Raju? Having a fracture or not being able to see the live match? And answer is, answer number 1, you can see, not being able to watch the match live was worse for Raju. This is the answer number 1. Answer number 2 is, do you have an autograph book? Whose autograph do you have in it? Answer number 2 is for your homework. Understand? Answer number 2 you all have to do by yourself. Write down HW in front of answer number 2. Question number 3. Why did Raju talk about Sachin proudly? I hope that you all understood question number 2. Question number 2 में क्या करना है? You all have to, this is question is, here question is asking, क्या आपके पास autograph book है? अगर आपके पास है या फिर अगर नहीं है तो अभी तक आपने किस किस की autograph लिए? Here you have to write in this answer by yourself. So answer number 3 is, why did Raju talk about Sachin proudly? As you can see here, answer is, Raju talked about Sachin proudly because Sachin was his great hero. This is the answer number 3. Move to the next answer. Question number 4 is, let me show you question number 4 to you all. Question number 4 is, if you had been to Raju's place, what would you have done on seeing Sachin? अगर आप राजू की जगह में होते तो आप क्या करते? What would you have done seeing Sachin? सचिन को देख के आप क्या करते? तो ये आपको ये भी अपने से करना है. You have to do by yourself this answer. Find out the answer of this question. Next question है, who is the hero according to you? Discuss in class. Now here this one is also for your homework. आपके लिए हीरो कौन होता है? Answer number 2, answer number 4 and answer number 5 is for your homework. You have to do by yourself. Move to the reference to context. Here a sentence is given, you can see, and some questions related to this sentence. So sentence is, will you give me your autograph? And the questions which are related to here, this sentence are given here. Let's find out the answer. So first question is, who said this and to whom? And answer is, this was said by Raju to Sachin. Answer number B is, why did the speaker want the autograph? And answer is, otherwise Raju's friend at school would not have believed when he would have told me then that he met Sachin. Understand? This is the answer number B. Answer number C is, where were these words spoken? These words were spoken at a hospital. Understand? Question number D is, what happened next? And answer is, when the plaster was removed from his leg, Raju hung it up in his room and looked at it every morning before going to school. This is answer number 4. I hope that you all have completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp and I will send the video. Yes, Hari?